If your app freezes for 1 second, the user feels it is like 10 seconds. That's why senior Android developers don't just write code. They design concurrency correctly, coroutines, flows, and structured concurrency. Let's talk about concurrency and multithreading in Android. First, what is concurrency in Android? Concurrency means your app can do multiple tasks at the same time without blocking the user interface. For examples, downloading data or saving to database or loading images or syncing in background. If you do this on the main thread, your app lags or crashes. So, why coroutines exist? Before coroutines, Android developers used threads, async task which is dead now, and callbacks everywhere. The result for this, callback hell. Hard to read, hard to debug, and easy to leak memory. So, coroutines solve this with clean async code and cancellation, lifecycle awareness, structured concurrency. Coroutines vs flow. Simple difference between them. Coroutines, one result. For example, fetch user profile once and save note once and think do this job and just finish. But flow means a stream of results. Here is one result only, here is stream of results. For example, live updates from database, listening to network changes, search typing suggestions, and think keep sending updates over time. Structured concurrency. Example of unstructured concurrency, you launch a coroutine but you don't control it. Example idea, coroutine keeps running even after screen is destroyed. App wastes resources. Bugs happen randomly. The structured concurrency, every coroutine has a parent scope. If the parent dies, so the children are cancelled automatically. For example, view model scope, lifecycle scope. This is why coroutine feels safe when used correctly. Example, the user opens screen, the user interface triggers view model, and view model launches coroutine in view model scope, then repository will fetch from API, then view model updates UI state. If user leaves the screen, coroutine cancels automatically, so no wasted work. Where flow fits in advanced applications, flow is used when data changes continuously, you need reactivate UI, or you want clean state management. For example, nodes list updates when a new node is added, wallet balance updates, point of sale transaction state updates. Take these rules in consideration. Never block the main thread. Also, use view model scope for UI work and use with context dispatcher input output for heavy tasks. Cancel work when UI disappears and use flow for streams and coroutines for single jobs. Recap, coroutines and flow are not just tools, they are part of system design. If you master concurrency, your apps become faster, safer, more scalable, and more professional. Thanks for watching and see you next video.